Brownfield Commodity Market reporter John Perkins with the Morning Market Minute for Monday, November 24th. Soybeans, corn, and wheat were all lower in overnight business. It could be a pretty quiet week overall. Commodity markets will be closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving, and there is an early finish on Friday. In between now and then, on Monday, we've got the USDA's weekly export inspections numbers out in the morning and what could be the final crop progress update of the season out in the afternoon. That's going to give a look at late U.S. corn and soybean harvest activity and winter wheat conditions that have heading into dormancy. Many areas could see dormancy in the next few days with a bitterly cold move expected from weather in much of the Midwestern plains. Again, that could put U.S. winter wheat into dormancy. Soybeans are also waiting to see if there are any new export sales announcements from China. Corn's looking at that USDA cattle on feed report from last week with the placements number looking bearish for feed demand, and wheat's also watching harvest activity in Argentina and Australia. At the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, live and feeder cattle could react to what was a bullish cattle on feed report from Friday. The big bullish factor was the 10% year-to-year drop in placements, the lowest for the month of October since the series of reports began in 1996. Still, at this point, the market's kind of technically fragile, and the trade's also going to be watching the distribution of this week's new show list. And hogs could see some support from Friday's higher close in the pork carcass cutout value, but there are a lot of concerns about sustained domestic and export demand. With the Morning Market Minute for Monday, November 24th, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market reporter John Perkins. Stay tuned for this afternoon's update.